Hey, Will, you ever you big? Do you order the food? Are you ordering the food?
No.
You're not ordering the food.
Particularly, no.
What do? You go out. You don't mind going out.
No.
You can go pick something up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too. I go out, I pick something up.
Yeah.
Does not bother me. I don't mind.
Yeah.
But a lot of people are ordering the food these days. I'll tell you what. So many people are ordering the food. Of course, I'm talking Uber Eats, DoorDash,
Skip the dish.
Skip the Dishes. Wow, we could go on and on. There's 4,000 of these now, these days. It's changing restaurants forever. They're not going to be what they were. Now we're talking about dark kitchens. Doesn't that sound cool? Dark kitchens. Meet you at the dark kitchen.
Sounds spicy.
We got this report here from Reuters. You want to try that one, Will? What did you call it that one time? Routers?
Called it routers.
Routers, like a
We
Wi-Fi
had
router.
We had a laugh.
Yeah, that's cool. Routers. Anyway, Reuters is how it's normally. At least that's the way I hear it. Restaurants are doing away with dining rooms as consumers increasingly order food deliveries through apps such as Uber Eats and Grubhub and others, of course, as we mentioned earlier. They're just going to be pickup spots. They're just going to be holes in the wall, and you enter, and it's a counter, and you just grab and go. And you've already done the thing on the app in advance. And it will cater to people who want to prepare for their own pickup or want to order through one of those companies. So it will streamline the process because they're saying right now, all these people coming in here, like regular citizens or trying to eat here, they're slowing us down.
Yeah, with the big old bag. It's like,
No, not them. Not them. I'm saying the regular human.
oh,
If you came in and you say, I want to eat in, where's the dining room? They say, get out of here. You're wasting our time.
that's rude.
No, they say,
But it's a reality, you're saying?
you know how many orders we have? Look at the lineup of the guys with the delivery bags.
Yeah, with their bags, right?
The
big
guys
old
with the bags and the people who just want to configure the app and just
Right.
pick it up. Which I use the app for different restaurants. I'll use the apps in advance. I've done that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I still go and pick up. And they're just saying now with the increase in the deliveries and the pickup and the decrease in the dine-in and the dine-out,
Yeah.
humans leaving their homes ever for any reason.
Yeah.
We have now got to shift more towards catering to the new group and away from catering to the old group
Right.
to find better efficiency so we can keep making more sales. They can't keep up with it. There's a lot of companies trying this out. Chick-fil-A is trying this out. They're calling it delivery kitchens. They're going to be launching in Chicago, Los Angeles, and San Francisco. Some of them are going to be run by DoorDash as a delivery platform. There's a startup, in fact, called Cloud Kitchens, Kitchens in the Cloud, which the co-founder of Uber is actually somehow involved in. And this is actually going to be a kitchen platform for the various restaurants to, with each other, prepare the foods in the same location so the delivery guy has one place to go. So you could have Wendy's there, you could have Chick-fil-A in the same kitchen, and the DoorDash guy, he's just streaming in and out. Cloud Kitchen. It's a lower commitment. You don't need to put up a whole location. And they're targeting national chains. Wendy's said during its October 11 Investor Day, it aimed to open 2 dark kitchens by the year's end in high delivery markets. You imagine this, Will?
So how is this set up? I'm trying to figure that out.
It's just a counter. That's
It's
it.
just like a room you go in. And
It's a
like
kitchen that
counter.
can prepare a wide variety of these dishes, and it's just a counter. And everything is configured in advance. You either have the app and you're ready to pick it
So
up.
this kitchen has a wide variety of like other
It could.
restaurants.
It could. It could be, like in Cloud Kitchen's case, it could be.
So it could be like Chick-fil-A and then Wendy's and then McDonald's or something, all in one kitchen.
It maybe. it would be lower commitment that way. But as you can see from Wendy's here, they're saying, or Chick-fil-A, they're saying we have enough volume to do our own. And you see what ends up happening here is they're able to find better efficiencies between the restaurant and the pickup location. Because as you see right now, it's a disaster in those places. If you ever go to a place that has a separate lineup for Skip the Dishes or Uber Eats, it ruins the experience. If you're sitting there and these guys, it's an assembly line of giant cargo bags coming in and out, boatloads of food leaving the place. And also, if they don't have a dedicated separate lineup, it can really screw up the flow.
Right.
So a lot of places had to implement this separate area and then a sign saying Uber Eats go here.
Yes.
This is just the next version of that. Have them go to a separate pickup depot on its own to streamline the process.
Right.
So everything's changing. That's the world we live in, Will. Everything's changing. Mm-hmm. It's all delivery and pickup. You're not sitting down in the restaurant. In 50 years, you're not sitting down in a restaurant.
Everything is coming.
It's all dark kitchens.
Yeah.
It's all dark kitchens. Everything's delivered. You never leave your house. You just strap in.
VR.
Yeah. You plug in. Everything's coming and going.
Yeah.
Amazon, 5-minute delivery. All your stuff. Get your toilet paper. You probably I don't even know if you need toilet paper in the future. You probably don't, right? There's other systems in play.
Yeah.
You eat only sterile food. You don't have to.
You need the fat chair.
You get
like
that
in
chair.
Wall-E.
So that's Willie Do right there, 50 years.
Yeah.
There he is. What a guy.